In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign into your Lego account. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so what we need to do is open up a web browser and then head on over to lego.com. Once you're here, it will say sign in on the top right hand corner of the page. So go ahead and click on the sign in button. A little pop-up will appear which will say sign into your Lego account. So click on the sign in button. If you don't have an account, you can always register one here by clicking register, but for this video we're going to sign in. And it's going to redirect you here, so sign in or create your Lego account. So you need to jot in your email address that you used for lego.com, so that's my email address. Or you can continue with your Facebook, Google account, Apple, etc. So now here I need to put in my secret code, but because I signed up with my Google account, I'm going to click on Google account here. Here it is here, so I'm going to click on Tutorial Wiz. And then it will say just a moment while we redirect you. And then once you've done that, it will take you back to lego.com homepage, and on the top right hand corner, it will say your username, in my case Tutorial Wiz, and now I'm inside my account.